In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a class with Square Appointments. This is an essential tool for anyone managing a business that requires appointment scheduling, as it helps streamline your operations and keep everything organized. Let's dive in and make this setup as smooth and efficient as possible. First, you'll want to head over to Square's free appointment scheduling software and booking app. This will be your hub for all things related to your appointments and classes, and it's where all the magic happens. Once you're on the page, take a moment to explore the features and benefits of using Square for your scheduling needs. It's designed to be intuitive, which means even if you're new to this platform, you'll find it quite user-friendly. Next, you're going to click on Sign In. If you already have a Square account, go ahead and enter your credentials. If you're new here, take this opportunity to sign up and create an account. It's simple and doesn't take much time. Once you've signed in, you will be directed to the Square dashboard. This is your control center where you can oversee all your activities from transactions to appointment bookings. Once you're on the dashboard, the next step is to click on Appointments. This section is devoted to managing all your client bookings and class schedules. It provides a clear overview of your schedule, helping you to manage your time efficiently. From here, you'll want to click on Calendar. The calendar feature is where you organize all your classes and appointments. It offers a visual representation of your schedule and makes it easy to spot any open slots or overlaps. Now, with the calendar open, look for the Create button and give it a click. This is where you'll start the process of setting up a new class. Click Create Class to move forward. Here you can fill in all the necessary details such as the class name, description, date, time, and any other pertinent information that your clients need to know. Make sure to be as detailed as possible, as it helps clients know what to expect and truly understand the value of the class you offer. Once all the information is entered, review it to ensure everything is accurate and professional. A small typographical error could lead to confusion about the class timing or content. When you're satisfied with how everything looks, finalize the setup. Congratulations, you've just created a class using Square Appointments. This organized approach ensures that your clients have easy access to the classes they're interested in, and it helps you keep track of everything with minimal fuss. Keep exploring other features of Square to optimize your business's scheduling needs further.